Hello friends, welcome to our course on business analytics, and in this lecture we will understand what do we mean by teletables. So stay tuned. So let's now understand what is teletable, and in order to understand this in a better way, let's take this data set which is there, and now what we are going to do is we are going to make a small tabular format in which we'll write fruits, and on the right hand side we are going to write count. So the first fruit which we have here is apple, and now we are going to count apple. So it is 1, so we'll write 1, then again 1, so we'll write one more, then we have again apple, so we'll write one more time, again 4, then we have this 5, so 5, for 5 we will put a line in between, then we have 6, then we have 7, 8 and 9, 7, 8 and 9. So this is how we are going to write apple. Then let's take another one which is banana, and let's write the frequency of it. So banana we have 1, we write 1, 2, then 2, then 3, then we have 4, and we have 5, so 5, then we have 6 and 7, and then the last fruit which we have is mango, and let's check the frequency of mango. We have 1, which is 1, then we have 2, which is 2, and then we have 3, and then we have 4. So now this portion here is known as your tally table, and this is known as your tally notations. So this is it for today's lecture.
Please click on the like button. Also click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to receive regular updates about our channel and the videos which we post. Thank you.